In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Venn diagram in a Gamma presentation in just a few easy steps. This is a great way to compare ideas, show relationships, and make your slides look more visual and professional. If you're creating a class project, a business presentation, or just want to explain overlapping concepts more clearly, this feature can really help. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're inside, look for the presentation you want to edit and open it. You want to make sure you're working in the correct deck before adding anything new. After your presentation opens, go to the card or slide where you want the Venn diagram to appear. Now, on the right side of the screen, you should see the toolbar. This is where Gamma keeps a lot of its editing tools, so take a moment to locate it. In that toolbar, click on Smart Diagrams. This opens up a set of visual diagram options that Gamma can insert into your presentation. From there, look for the Venn diagram option and select it. Once you click it, Gamma will place the Venn diagram into your card. If needed, you can move it into the exact spot you want so it fits your layout nicely. Now it's time to customize it. Click on the overlapping sections or the text boxes inside the diagram and start typing your own content. This is where you can label each circle with your ideas, categories, or examples. You can also resize the circles if you want the diagram to take up more or less space on the slide. And if the design doesn't match your presentation theme yet, you can adjust the color scheme to make it look cleaner and more consistent. Take a little time to fine-tune it so the diagram is easy to read and visually balanced. The best part is that Gamma makes this process quick, so you don't need to build the diagram from scratch. You can add it, edit it, and style it in just a few clicks. Once you're happy with the final look, save your presentation and preview the slide to make sure everything displays properly. And that's how you add a Venn diagram in Gamma presentation. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Gamma tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.